the site of learning tools for data structures and algorithms. Stop memorizing and start seeing. We introduce DSAinsights.com, your new interactive hub designed to master data structures and algorithms through visualization, exploration, and hands-on learning. The platform is packed with essential features to ensure effective learning and retention. You get a full library of interactive visualizers, covering the most comprehensive range of algorithms and data structures. Benefit from color-coded execution states, detailed step-by-step animations, and hands-on controls like start, step, run, and reset for maximum interactivity. Benefit from color-coded execution states, detailed step-by-step animations, and hands-on controls like start, step, run, and reset for maximum interactivity. Let's take a look at the comprehensive algorithms library. Explore a vast library of visualizers, from fundamental sorting and searching to advanced graph algorithms, dynamic programming, and even machine learning fundamentals. For example, on this bubble sort visualizer, we can see how a set of random values are sorted. The left visually display the sorting of values, and the right visually show the operation steps in the algorithm. Master sorting algorithms like quicksort and merge sort. Understand linear and binary search, and bring graph traversal algorithms like BFS, DFS, and Dijkstra's to life. Next, explore the backbone of modern programming in the data structures section. Dive into linear structures like arrays, stacks, queues, linked lists, and priority queues, seeing how operations like insert, delete, and traverse work visually. This slide shows searching a value 5 in a random dataset. Explore advanced structures like binary trees, AVL trees, red-black trees, heaps, and segment trees, along with dozens of fully animated graph types. This slide shows an example of creating a random binary tree and get its size. Learn how modern systems store and retrieve data efficiently with visualizers for hash tables, hash maps, hash sets, and Bloom filters, as shown on this slide for a hash table and a Bloom filter. DSA Insights provides powerful tools to support your learning journey beyond just visualization. Every visualizer includes clear pseudocode and real code in 10 programming languages: Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, C#, Go, Rust, Swift, and Kotlin. Each tool provides detailed concept explanations, time and space complexity breakdowns, and real-world applications to cement your understanding. And for immediate help, the built-in AI DSA Assistant is there to help you understand concepts, debug code, and explore algorithms interactively. Whether you're a student preparing for interviews, an educator, or a self-learner, DSAinsights.com is your key to mastering complex concepts. We make complex concepts simple, visual, and deeply interactive. Ready to transform the way you learn DSA? Start exploring at DSAinsights.com today.